2019. And we're gonna discuss the question 5 from December 2018 first. This question, it was provided with the question, and for the question A, show that value of k is 1 1 per 2 22. So we need to show that k is equal to 1 over 22. So we're gonna solve this by taking every x and display it by every k that I have. For example, every 1, 2, 3, 4, we just need to equal the k. We just normal k. For example, 1k, 2k, 3k, and 4k. But for the 5, 6, 7 is different because we need to minus with the 10 first, then we can sub 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 it with the k. So now we get the output. Now we just need to add every k inside of this table. Then we need to equal 1. If we combine every k that we have 20k, 22k. Then we move the 22k under below the 1. Then we got 1 over 22 equal k. Then we just need to flip it over and get k equal 1 over 22. It is same with what the question 1. Then we get the answer. Next, for the question B, we have a few questions. We have two questions. Which is, first, we need to find uh, 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 the, the value of B within the 3 until 4, because this is a bigger than or equal, and this is the smaller than 5. So which is mean we need to find a 3 and 4. Then we equal with f, and then we gonna do this formula. Then we just need to insert the value of k, which is 1 over 22. Since we got it from here, then we just need to add both of them, and after sub it with the 1 over 22, and we got the value, and then we just need to add it up. Then we get 7 over 20. Then the total value for the p for the range is 7 over 22. For the second question in question B, we need to find e, x, and var x. The way we need to do this by equaling e by the k that was given. Following this, for example, like k, and then we gonna use this table. Then we can just need to sum it with the 1 over 22 for every k. So after we do that, we will get this table, and this will help us to find the upcoming question. For example, e equal e x. In order to find it, we need to take every output in here. Then we can solve it. The final output that we get will 50 over 11, means the value of x is 50 over 11. The next question is, we need to find var. The way how we want to find var is by finding the x power of 2 first, so we can solve the final question. The way we need to finish it by taking uh, every table from this part, but with a little bit twist, we need to power over 2 for every x that we count that we have. Then we gonna get our x of power of 2, which is 258 over 11, which means our value of ex over 2 is ex power of 2 is 258 over 11. Then the final work is we need to just take the ex power of 2 minus with the ex, but the ex must power of 2 in the whole, not just the x but the ex. So the way how we gonna do this, we just take the from the previous ex, then we just need 50 over 11. We just need to power with the 2, then we get a 2500 power of over 121, which is the final value for var x is 33,122, which is this. Next question, we can proceed with the question 3 to December 2019. For this question is mostly same with the previous question, but they have a little bit of their own twist. So the question 3 is we need to find for the question A for question 3 in December 2019, we need to find the value of 0.1. The way we need to do this is by find the entire x all of this and equal with 1. We just need to add 0.25, add 0.25, add 0.2, add a, add 0.1, which is equal with 1. Then we just need to take entire amount, add it all, we got a 0.9 minus, and then we need to minus 1 minus with 0.9, we got 0.2, which means the value of a is 0.1, which is what the question actually want. Then the next question, the question B, we are provided with a x larger bigger than 2. Then if count it, we got 3 and 4, which is and we just need to input it to f3 plus f4, and we just need to include the amount that we got. For example, for A, we already get the value, which is 0.1, and for the 4, we got the value is 0.1. So we just need to include it inside of here. Then we get 0.3 plus 0.4, which is if we add it both, we got the 0.7, which is the value of P x bigger than 2 is 0.7. Next question, and in the question B, for the second question, we need to count the bar x. We need to calculate bar x. The way we want to calculate bar x is by e x power of 2 and minus e x whole it with a power of 2. So we just need to calculate the entire thing. Same with the question 5 in the December 2008. We just need to calculate the entire. Then we got the value, the sum of value. Then we just need to add it. Uh, which means we got the value of ex equal 1 over 5. For the next is we're gonna count for the ex power of 2, which is the value of x. We just need to power with 2. Then we do the same, which is we get the value. Then we just need to sum up all this. We get 3.55. So what we just need to do, take the ex, then we gonna calculate the whole entire thing with the power of 2, which means we're gonna get 1.8225. Then we're gonna get 3.55, put it in the correct list, then if we minus it, we're gonna get 1.7275, which is the calculation result for x is 1.7275. For the third question, in the question B, we need to count the ex2 plus 2x. The way we can do this by taking the x, the value of x, which means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, in the right table, just input it inside the formula, then we get the amount, right amount. For example, 1, we include this in 1, then power of 2, we get 1, and then plus 2, which x, which 1, then we get 2, then we just add the value, we're gonna get 3, then right amount is 3. Same with this, same with 2, same with 3, and same with 4. Then for getting to get the ex2, ex power of 2 plus 2x, we need to calculate the number of summon x with the number that got we need for getting to get the x power of 2 plus 2x, we need to calculate sum between x2 plus 2x with the probability x, which means this like this table at this and this, which is gonna get similar to this, and we got the correct amount. And we just need to sum up all of it as, and we got the 6.25, which is the calculation result for e x power of 2 plus 2x is 6.25. Then that's all for from my presentation for two questions that I discussed.